Today we are going to practice unit conversions. Here is the basic setup for all unit conversion problems. If I have kilograms here and I want to go to grams, I set up the problem with kilograms and I multiply it by grams over kilograms. The reason I do this is when I multiply, it cancels the kilograms, then I multiply by whatever numbers are in here, and I'm left with grams. I can do this the other way as well. If I'm starting with grams, I can multiply it by kilograms over grams. If you notice here, these are flip-flopped. The reason they change is we're starting with grams and I want to cancel grams out, so grams needs to be on the bottom. Since it's on the bottom here, I can cancel out the grams, and all I'm left with is kilograms. Now we're going to practice this with actual numbers. Let's say we want to convert 12 kilograms to grams. How do we go about doing that? We want to multiply 12 kilograms by something over 1 kilogram. Now, because we want to go from kilograms to grams, we're going to put grams on top. Now, because 1 kilogram equals 1 grams, I will put a 1,000 on top. So now I have 12 kilograms times 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. The reason we do this is now I can cancel out the kilograms, and all I'm left with is grams. So now it just becomes a simple math problem. 12 times 1,000. And that equals 12,000. So 12 kilograms is equal to 12,000 grams. I can do the same thing going from grams to kilograms. So let's say I have 4,000 grams and I want to convert that to kilograms. I do the same thing. I multiply, but this time I flip-flop the grams and kilograms because I have grams on top. I'm going to put grams on the bottom and kilograms on top. Now I know 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So now I can cross out my grams, and all I'm left with is kilograms. So I do 4,000, but this time I divide it by 1,000. So 4,000 divided by 1,000 is 4. And that means 4,000 grams equals 4 kilograms. Let's try a harder one. Let's say I want to convert kilograms to milligrams. I'm going to go a longer route. You can skip right from kilograms to milligrams, but we're going to go from kilograms to grams to milligrams. So first, let's start with converting kilograms to grams. Again, I want to get rid of the kilograms, so I put kilograms on the bottom, grams on top. 1 kilogram has 1,000 grams, so now we multiply 0.2 times 1,000 over 1. I'll first get rid of the kilograms, all we're left with is grams, then we just do the math, and we are left with 200 grams. Now that I have 200 grams, I'm going to convert that to milligrams. It's the same as before, except now we're doing grams to milligrams. So I know 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. So now we just multiply. I get rid of the grams, and I'm left with 200 times 1,000. That equals 200,000 milligrams. So we did this in 2 steps. We did kilograms to grams, and we got 200 grams, and then we took 200 grams and went from grams to milligrams, and we got 200,000 milligrams. Now we could also do this in 1 step, where I just go 0.2 times 1,000 times 1,000, and it essentially is the same thing as what we did here. Or if you know scientific notation, I can do 0.2 times 10 to the 6th. However, if you're first starting out, I recommend just going step by step on the parts that you know how to do, and just take it slow and you will get the right answer. All right, let's do one more. We're going to do 35 million milligrams, and we want to convert that to kilograms. So we're going to do the same 2-step process, except this time we're going the other way. So first thing I want to change this to, is milligrams to grams. If I have 1 gram, I have 1,000 milligrams. So I'm going to multiply by 35 million over 1 over 1,000, which is essentially dividing by 1,000. So I cross out the milligrams, I'm left with grams. I'm going to cross out these 3 zeros, and I'm left with 35,000 grams. Now that I have 35,000 grams, I want to go from grams to kilograms. So I do kilograms on top, grams on bottom. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So now I cross out the grams. Again, multiply 35,000 times 1 over 1,000, dividing 1,000 by, or 35,000 by 1,000, so I can get rid of these 3 zeros again, and I'm left with 35 kilograms. So 35 million milligrams is the same thing as 35 kilograms.